class today we're going to be learning about shared writing. So I don't have a whiteboard, so we're going to be using this big piece of paper. Alright, so let's talk about farm animals. Does anyone know any farm animals that they've seen?
I live on a farm.
Oh my gosh! Can you tell us what animals you have?
I have cows.
You have cows?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, right.
They go moo.
Oh, moo! They don't go oink?
No.
Okay, so let's talk about cows. The first way to start a sentence is with what? A capital or a lowercase letter?
A capital.
Okay, so let's think of a sentence. What do cows do again?
Cows go moo.
So we could put on our sentence, cows go moo. So what kind of lowercase or capital C?
Uppercase.
So cows, we can't forget to leave a space in between. Go. Does someone know how to spell moo?
Makes the sound.
Makes the, okay, so that's M. And then ooh.
I don't know.
Okay, well, ooh goes with O. But it also goes with two O's. So moo. Not sensible, but okay. Cows go moo. Okay, well let's keep talking about cows. What else do cows do?
They eat hay.
They eat hay. Okay, so let's
And grass.
And grass. Okay, so let's make a sentence about cows eating food. So cows go moo. They eat hay and grass. So
Yeah.
what should I do with they? What's the first letter, do you think? A.
T.
T. Good job. Now we haven't learned about the sound. So the sound is T-H. And then it's spelled E-Y. So they eat. You guys know how to spell eat?
E. Starts with the E.
Starts with an E. And then that A gets sort of caught up in there. And then t. What's at the end?
T.
Good work. They eat grass. What's next?
G.
Good job. And then
R. A.
Nice work. A. And then
S.
S. Now this is a silly one too. We have to have two S's.
What?
I know, isn't that weird? We haven't
Very
learned
weird.
why, so I don't know how to explain. They eat grass and, which is a sight word. You guys know how to spell and?
A.
And then what?
N.
And then?
D.
Good job. And then they eat hay. Can someone tell me how to spell A?
H-A.
Yeah, good job. I almost spelled it the wrong way. H-A and then a Y.
Oh.
Cows go moo. They eat grass and hay. Someone give me another animal that is in the farm.
How about a pig?
A pig, yeah. What color are pigs?
Pink?
Pink. Okay, so what's a sentence we could say about pigs?
Pigs are pink.
Pigs are pink. Okay, so what does pig start with?
P. Uppercase.
Good job. So
I.
and then
G.
and then
S.
pigs are.
R. Just the letter R.
Oh, we actually have to have it spelled A-R-E. I don't know how to explain that really right now. Pigs are pink. What do you think that starts with?
A P again.
Good job. And then
I.
N.
N. C.
Oh, almost. Do you remember how C and K make the same sound?
K.
Okay, let's do K. Pigs are pink. Good job. How many minutes are we going right now? It says in the corner. 4:40. Okay, so let's read the sentence together, okay?
Okay.
Let's do the first part. Cows go moo. We went black.
What?
Okay, cows go moo. Oh, not everyone was saying it. Let's try it again.
Cows go moo.
Good job. Okay, the next part of our sentence says, they eat grass and hay. Okay, one more time. Let's start with cows. Cows go moo. They eat grass and hay. Oh, now we have to talk about pigs. Pigs are pink. So now one more thing before we're done. What is at the end of a sentence?
A dot.
A dot. That's called a period. So you see how it says cows go moo? When we have to quit talking about their noise, we start talking about something else. We need to put a period, okay?
Okay.
Okay, we'll learn more tomorrow.
Sounds good.